This is the easiest way to style your food because, guys, if this is your first time of stopping by, and you don't want to subscribe because we drop amazing videos on this channel. If I want to stylist, if I hair stylist, if I stylist, I love a lot on this channel. As you can see, this brine well and be strong. It will not be easily removed. After that, I use heat protector just to spread the heat to make it to be shiny, and all the necessary hair will also will arrive. So that's why I use the heat product to after styling it. Remember, you will do this after the sun has already dried the hair and the hair has already dried. That's when you use this process. As you can see, the wig is now shining, the wig is now looking fine. I will be dropping how to style it using coil and conditioner so that it will be looking like this. So if you want me to do the video, just drop it in the comment section and I will do the next video on how I achieve this type of coils, how you can make your wig to achieve this kind of coil. You can achieve with your straight wig, any type of wig, you can achieve it. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to package your wig after styling. This is awesome, guys. As you can see how I hold the wig, if you do it center part, you have to hold it. Sometimes some people use carton to put it at the center of the wig and use pin, but for me I prefer using it. You can now bring this nylon. This is nylon for packaging wigs. You can remove the hair, the straight hair on the nylon. As you can see what I'm doing on that video, because it's pretty quite hard to remove, so I used my teeth to remove it. You don't need to use scissors, because if you use scissors the nylon will tear. So as you can see how I achieved and removed, because that place seems gummy, and you can now place it well and carry that wig and put it like this. Look at the way I'm just doing it. You can follow the step. You put it up and down, and so that the coil will be up that way. After that, you can now bring out, make sure you pack it well, pack it very well at the end of the nylon and package it so well. Sorry for that. This is where my nails and so many other things are. I just want to show you the whole packaging process, and you can now use the nylon and stretch it like this. This is awesome, guys, and it's very quite easy, and your hair will be looking so good and awesome. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time stopping by, I'll stay your girl Gift. You'll be seeing amazing videos like this. Do it to subscribe, like, and tell everybody to talk about this video.